Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change size of text cursor indicator on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change size of text cursor indicator on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, you will find Accessibility. Click on Accessibility. Here you will find an option Text Cursor. Click on Text Cursor. First of all, you need to turn Text Cursor on, and then you will find here Size. If you want to change the size, first of all I am going to show you the text cursor. Look, this is the text cursor and its size. Now I am going to change size. I am going to change it large. Look, the text cursor size has become large. Again, click on search again, and look, the text cursor size is large. If you want to make it a small, drag the bar, and look, the text cursor size is minimized, and you can minimize or maximize text cursor size from here. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.